Hey, Dave Knight here. Dave Knight Trading here. Try that again. Exclusively. You know what? I can't speak, so might as well just go with it. I'm not going to stop and do it again. Uh, Today was October 20th, 10/20/23. October 20th, 2023. Uh, I've accomplished something I've never accomplished before at Apex, and that is to get to day 10 of the PA account, performance account, and be in a position that I could actually request a withdrawal if I wanted to. Hold on a second. Playing Skyrim in the background keeps me away from doing stupid shit sometimes, or playing a game, but trying to keep myself away from trading every second of every day. Get my profit, move on, get in a good place. Notice that the sim account, I'm using that to goof off with so that I can be not so crazy because I still have that um, problem in my trading. So I'm using the sim account to just go crazy in 10 contracts, 25 contracts, 100 contracts, whatever I feel like doing, just to be to allow myself to be nuts because I am part crazy, I think. But you all watch me, you know that I'm ADD obviously as well. And um, anyway, long story short, I'm in a position I've never been before at Apex. I'm at a position that I could actually request like a $500 withdrawal. I could go to, hold on a sec, let me pause. All right, so this is my accounts that I have right now at Apex. I've got three. There they are. Screenjaw, where art thou? So you see today was day 9. Today, well, yesterday was day 9. Today is day 10. So this is showing like your average uh, profit per trading day, like I got 800 and whatnot. So this is at the 450 right there, 455. I guess it'll show a little move like that up to there tomorrow or day 10, wherever day 10 is, will be over here somewhere. So it'll show that. Um, and then you see the max trailing drawdown here. I forget what you have to keep it above. I think it's 52.6. I think you have to have $500 mistake. If correct me if I'm wrong. I think you have to keep it above 52.6 um, to request a withdrawal. So that's the limitation of it because you can't go below um, the 50,000 mark. I think you have to have some amount of cushion in the account. So I believe you have to hold 52.6. So you notice I'm at 53,429. So I could physically actually get myself and get paid at Apex. And I'm going to debate about that over the weekend because I've never been paid at Apex. So I might go ahead and pull that out 500 just to prove to myself I can get paid. And I'm going to think about it because it's Friday. And then if I do that, I won't be sitting at 53,429. I'll be at 2,929 profit. And that's doable. So I'm still above the 2,500 mark. Max drawdown by $429. So I'm going to debate about that over the weekend and make a decision on Sunday, most likely, what I want to do. And if you got some advice for me, put it down below. I think some of you will say, take some money, right? Take some money. So that's the account. Oh, by the way, you have to, well, I'm not going to show that because that shows all my bank information. You got to change from deal, DEEL.com to your own bank account if you're in America to get an ACH withdrawal or direct deposit, however you want to look at it. So I have already done that, and I'm not going to show my information because that would be wrong on me. But anyway, day 10, this qualifies, as far as I understand, this account right here, PA14, qualifies for a payout. I'm not sure when the payouts happen. Once again, you have requested a payout, put that information below. I'm going to do some research over the weekend. I mean, I did watch the videos. Let's pull this back up. I did watch the videos to, I think it's called Payout Method. Let me pause, make sure I don't show my personal information. Yeah, so here it Apex, it's Payout Method. So if you click the Payout Method, and there's 2 videos. You don't have to watch it all if you're in America, but if you're not, you need to watch all of it. So you watch this for like the first 7-8 minutes. Watch this, and then fast forward to the form that you fill out. And they're not using Deal anymore because Deal's not allowing anybody in this arena to get payouts, but they are paying out. That's for internationals. So basically there it is. We can only send ACH payments to a USA routing and USA account number. This form must be filled out to request a payout. US bank account only. So if you're obviously a US, most of the guys and gals that watch me are US. So that's where we are. I've never been in this position, so I'm probably going to request a payout. Probably, like I said, 500 bucks, just to have it, and then obviously show you guys that, hey, I got paid finally after how long. Obviously, even with that 500, I'm still well in the hole at Apex, but I'm working my way hopefully out of it. Notice that I've got EA98 closing in on EA98's closing in 52,724. That was on day 6, I believe, today. Was able to get 1,000, and that was trading 1 to 2 contracts there. I'm a little bit more aggressive, like I talk about in the EA and the PA. I am trading now. This account, I'm not trading any more than 500 would put it at 53 net liquidation value. PA14 53,836. 53,836 minus 500 is 53,336 less 50,100. That will give me, oh wow, that gives me, that was yesterday's account balance I was looking at, right? So I have $3,236. That makes it a lot easier for me to request 500. So I need to look into that over, if not today. If I have time today, I need to look into that. If you got information about getting paid out, just put it down below for me so that I understand the rules. Anyway, hey, I'm quite happy right now. I've had 10 positive trading days. I had a couple days that were kind of iffy, but I ended up turning it around and then quitting once I was down, and then came back up. I didn't continue to trade. A day like today, I was up pretty much the whole day, and I just held on to my profit. I switched from PA to SIM to EA. I don't know who that is. Anyway, Um, as you can tell, I'm a little bit on the excited side. It's the first time that I can be able to actually request a payout from Apex, and you can hear that I've already pretty much convinced myself I want to do it, just to get 500 and then go for 1 to 2,000 on the next time I can request a payout. I think you have to have 10 trading days for each payout, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's kind of the rules that they have, if I'm not mistaken. I believe that's one of the rules, if I understand it correctly. Yeah, each payout's got to have 10 trading days inside of it. I believe that's one of the Apex rules. And once again, put that information down below here on YouTube. What do I want to show? I guess I'll show the EA. Well, you can catch, this is, let's go back and look at the 5-minute chart. This was, once again, I would have, should have, could have taken a lot more money away from the market today. You can see I took money from SIM and I took money from the EA today, but the PA only got a little bit. But that's kind of my plan right now, is just to grind it out, make a little bit of profit, and move on to the next trading day. Use the other accounts that I've got in there to, send to Goof, to allow myself to let off some steam in the SIM account, and then use the EA and the other PA to, use the EA to qualify another PA. And if I have 3, you can have 20 of these, right? So my goal right now is to get 10 of them, or 5. It doesn't really matter what I do. Have 5, 10, 20 PAs, and just work my way to making, eventually I guess I'll get trade copier or something like that. Right now I don't want to bother with that. I just want to get paid. I want to use one account and build it up. And then always have an EA available so that I can take another EA to a PA and use, right now there's 71% off at Apex. You can use my link down below in all my videos. If you look down below in my video, you'll see a link that supposedly I can get paid from, which I have not been paid in 23 from them. Nothing against that, but just haven't. So all the people that I haven't got paid on. I guess Nutty Bar and Pat Weiland. No, Pat's actually doing Top Step. Nutty Bar is back again. I think I might head over to his chat room a little bit after I'm done here and listen in and say hi over there. I'm glad to see him back. Anyway, this was the 5-minute chart. You can see it was a nice down day. Once it made its mind up, it wanted to go down roughly here. Let's call it at 10 o'clock. That's when I made the money in the SIM account, and then I made money on, I believe this is the bar that I made money, 10:30 to 10:35 on the EA. Let's actually show that. EA. Let me pause and show that you can actually catch a long in a shorting position. Alright, so here was you can see me trying to short here. Let's get the screen dry out and talk about this trade setup. Right here I'm trying to short. There's some trades in front of this, but I was trying to short, and then I cover. I try to short again, and I cover here, and then I think I cover here, and I try to go long and cover, and eventually I go long, and I'm able to pull this out right there with the tight stops, right? Very tight stops, getting stopped out at support levels or resistance levels, keeping it close, keeping it tight, allow myself the opportunity to look for a big win. This one actually did hit the 90 tick profit target, and this is my big win for the day. I think I was trading 2 contracts at this point, and then I was able to pull out. I had a positive up until this point, and then I believe I was trading 2 when I pulled that out to get the $1,000. Was it 1,030 overall, less commission costs? But here's the entry. There's your bottom, waiting for it to form. Joe Ross talks about trader trick entry. I think that's what he called it. TTE, trader's trick entry. I still use the Joe Ross stuff even to this day. So there's a TTE forming. Here's your bottom. This was my stop after the entry was in, and then you can see it took off and didn't look back. So that was the trade setup. Here's your volume kicking in right in this area. You see the lows and seeing the move and seeing the back move, and then right there is the move itself. So your Williams percent R is showing the trade setup. Joe Ross with the TTE, he had some really good books. They're quite expensive if you can find them. They used to be $150 a pop. Trading as a Business was my all-time favorite book from him. JR. Look for Joe Ross. You can probably find some books that he has. Trading by the Minute, Trading. There's all kinds of books he's got out there. But or you can just get his Law of Charts. You can probably find his Law of Charts for free on the internet, and he'll talk about the TTE. He calls it Law of Charts. Joe Ross Law of Charts. Actually, let's see if we can look and find it while we're here. Let's pull out the search bar and see if we can find Joe Ross's Law of Charts. It's still a free ebook. There you go. So that's a free ebook for you to get the Law of Charts. And you probably talk about, he calls it the Ross hook and TTE. So it's all there. So I guess that's his ebook. There's the Trader's Trick entry right there. Trader's Trick entry ebook will follow in 24 hours via email. Keep reading for a fabulous special offer from, we won't talk about that. He's since passed away. But you can actually look up the TLOC, the Law of Charts, and read to your heart's content some of the stuff that I had learned from the very beginning of time. Still used today. So look under Joe Ross Law of Charts, actually go under Trade. That's probably the best way to find that information, Joe Ross Law of Charts, or go to Trading Educators. It's his website, Trading Educators. I think that he still has his own books that you can probably find. Let's look. I don't know what I'm thinking about. Let's go to Amazon, see how much they are for now. I know I sold them an extra copy that I had for some money. Trading is a business. Look at that, $250 for day trading. Spread and seasonals. I wonder how much they want for that. Oh, hardcover for sale. Look at that, $79.88. Every one of these were 150 bucks back in the day. Trading as a business. How much is that one? 300. So yeah, that's double the price of what it was when I bought it. 150. It's $2.99. You can probably find that online just by searching it. Trading as a business. If I had to pick one of Joe Ross's books to have, let's go back if we can find it. If I can't, I'm going to pull it out of, I got it in my book bag back there. Hold on a second. Here it is. Trading by the Book. So I took this on vacation with me last time. Let's see if you can see it. Trading by the Book. Let's see if we can find that. Trading. See if we can find that. No. I don't see it. It might be under his own website. Let's Joe Ross trading by the book. Hey, look, trading by the book PDF. You might be able to find this without buying it. I don't know about this website or whatnot, but download now. Scribd, whatever that means. All right. Read free for 30 days. Google research, PDF download. Instant file access. I don't know. I wonder where this will take us. All right, let's not do that. All right, I don't trust these links. That Scribd might be okay though, huh? And then I think he's got his books here. So if you want to get his books, see if he even offers it anymore. I don't even see it anymore. Trading as a business, that's his short-term trading, long-term. What's this one? This might be a combined book now. Trading the Ross Hook. That might be, do I have that book? Let's find out. Yep, Trading the Ross Hook. It's like an orangish color book. That might be the book to get right there. Trading the Ross Hook. Now, if I had to pick one book, that would be the book I'd pick since of what's left. If you just want to buy something outright, that's the book I would pick, Trading the Ross Hook. And then I would get, if you're really into his books, I'd recommend, I wouldn't get Day Trading. This one's dated. I would get this one first, and then this one second. Trading as a business. That's what I would do for day trading, and then you can understand what he talks about with the law charts and whatnot. All right, let's go back to see what we're doing here. Trying to bottom out, huh? Pull the 5-minute chart over again. Market's trying to bottom out in front of the S2. I went back to my old way of trading, and then taking some money while it's available. So once again, I've kind of convinced myself that I'm going to get my first withdrawal of 10 trading days, find out when I can get a withdrawal and go from there, and get 500 bucks out, so I get paid finally after all this time that I've been at Apex. Nice upward movement right now. See if there was anything tradable there to look at. Right here. Anything on the 42369? Nope. Just bottomed out and started taking off. Ran out of steam, it looks like, going down. Yep, just ran out of steam going down, and it started to go back up for a while to see if it would go up to come back down, perhaps. I think we talked all I want to talk about today. All right, so this is Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading here on YouTube. This is interesting right here. Anyway, I hope you had a good trading week as well. Day once again was Friday, October 20th, 2023. I'll see you on the next video. Put together. Bye for now.